you've started your self-publishing journey, you've probably come across a term that sounds a little bit intimidating: metadata. It might sound technical, but don't worry, it's extremely straightforward. Let's break it down. Book metadata is just information about your book. Your title, subtitle, author name, publication date, ISBN, it's all metadata. And this information is available wherever your book is placed, from online bookstores to library databases. So why is it important? Good metadata helps people find your book, understand what it's about, and decide whether to buy it or not. So what goes into your book metadata? Your title, subtitle, author name, the format of your book, whether it's hardcover or paperback, the color of your book, whether it's black and white or color printed, the language of your book, the price of your book, the size of your book, and the total number of pages. Then of course there's ISBN, which is the 13-digit unique identifier for your book. There is also your publication date, book description, and keywords. These play a very important role in searchability, especially online. Your book description is often the first thing that potential readers read, so you have to make sure it's well written. Keywords are also extremely important for searchability. So when you're coming up with keywords, try to think like your reader. What would your readers type into a search bar to find your book? You can use tools like Google Keyword Planner or even AI tools to find the right keywords for your book. Other metadata includes copyright details as well as book category and genre. Book industry standards and communication codes, or BISAC codes, are the genre classifications used by the publishing industry that help retailers and libraries place your book in the right section and also helps your book appear in the right search results online. So why does metadata matter? It improves discoverability, as when someone is searching online for your book, metadata helps your book show up. The right keywords and categories also makes it easier for readers to find your book. It helps bookstores and libraries place your book correctly. It improves the reader's experience, as it helps them decide whether or not to buy the book. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!